Hey everyone, today I'm doing a video on how to strip decals off. A lot of people have asked me, and this is the best way I know is to use nail polish remover and some Q-tips. What I do is I put it in the cap, a little bit in there. I put some in the cap. It's actually really easy to do this. You just take it, you dip it in, you let it sit in there. And you like rub it off, focus. You gotta wipe it off a couple times so the green goes away with like a paper towel or something. Don't use the same Q-tip for the whole time because it will make the paint dirty and ruin it. So just flip over to the other side and then just clean it up a little. You'll probably use two Q-tips, two separate Q-tips to finish one side. Don't use too much, like don't put it on a lot and rub hard because the paint will get agitated and like bubble. So just wipe it off a little and there you go. Try to get in the crack a little right there, get the green out, get all the stuff out. That's just a spot on the paint. That's how you strip decals off. Just a short little video on how to get a fresh Q-tip and dip it in and do it all over again. Like that, wipe that off best you can. It does dry very fast, the nail polish remover, so try not to get it on the F250 badge because we want that to stay there. I mean, I do. I don't know about whoever else is doing this. And then wipe that off. For this truck, I'm making it a flatbed, so that's why I took the bed off. And then clean it up a little. Wipe it off. I'll take a fresh one. That one's getting a little dirty. And just wipe it off. And there you have it. That's how you take decals off of the new or any type of truck. That's how you take decals off. Please feel free to drop a like and subscribe. I will have more how-to videos very shortly.